Hi friends, my name is Sathvi. I am studying in 2nd standard A section. I tell you how I learned addition and subtraction. Square is 10, triangle is 1. My grandfather is 65 years old. My father is 37 years old. I will tell you my grandfather how many years older than my father. 5 years smaller than 7. I will borrow 1/10 from here. Now it is 15. I will subtract 7 from 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. I will subtract 3 from 5. The answer is 2. My mother is 34 years old. I'm 9 years old. I will tell you my mother how much year older than me. I will borrow this 10 for once. Now it is 14. I will subtract 9 from 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Here is only 2. My mother is 25 years older than me. I have 26 crayons and 37 sketch. I will tell you I have how many colors? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. I will add this 10 ones to here. That's so here is 3 tens. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. The answer is 63. I already have 25 rupees. I got another 8 rupees. My new saving is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 3. I will add this 10 ones to here. Now it is 3 tens. This way we can learn how to do addition and subtraction using squares and triangles. Thank you.